Okay, this is Paul. We're at David's house at the main bathroom. So this was all part of the remodel and reconfigured. This pantry used to be actually the old shower. So that's now going to be a pantry. This is all a brand new hallway in here. That's a nice see-through window to bring light into the hallway. This room was refinished off, new hardwood floors. There was a door there that's closed off. You can see that in the old videos. Recessed lights in here. And here is the new bathroom. You can see a floating vanity in here. See the nice brand new fixtures, all of our light switches in here. We've got a built-in niche. This is another curbless linear drain shower, floor to ceiling tile, and tile is all the way back on the walls, and it has a very nice effect in here, nice frameless door. And you can see also the valve is separate from where the shower head and the wand is, so you can come in and turn the water on without getting drenched. Got a built-in niche over here, and that's a quick view of another beautiful custom bathroom. That is a brand new fan in there. It's got a built-in humidity sensor, which is required on the new fans. So that's a quick look of another bathroom project by Golden Gate Enterprises, and you can see the before and during pictures and other videos with all of the construction work, but wanted to show you what the finished product looks like. Thank you.